Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 Buick Enclave Avenir featuring an ebony twilight metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 3.6-liter V6 paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated steering wheel as well as a power liftgate. Some safety features include a backup camera, forward collision alert, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, front and rear powered windows and powered mirrors that fold in with this here. We have our power liftgate controls right there with some storage and cup holder space. Here are the Bose speakers. To the left of the driver's seat is the power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats with Avenir stitched in at the top, and we can go ahead and hop inside. So to the left when we get inside, we have our power park brake as well as the head-up display. And we can start up the vehicle. In the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have the cluster controls as well as Bluetooth controls. And to the left, we have cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. Moving over to the infotainment screen, we can check out the audio here. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect the phone using Bluetooth. We can connect the phone right here. We can also take a look at the navigation. Pretty straightforward. Let's throw it in reverse, take a look at the backup camera, as well as a 360-degree camera, and a ton more options below. Down here we have our dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger, wireless charging, Usbc and a USB plug-in. Take a look in the middle here, we have 2 cup holders, and here is the center console. Taking a closer look at that, we have storage above and more storage below. We move up to the top, here's the rear view mirror. We can flick that into camera display, push it back to make it normal again. Above that we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, sunglasses holder, as well as the sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof. We also have a rear sunroof in the back, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, Avenir badging along the bottom, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry as well as a nice chrome accent, privacy tint on the rear windows. We can make our way to the back. To open up the back, all we gotta do is double click and it's gonna pop open for us. We have 3 rows of seating with a 60-40 seat split. Here we have some extra storage below as well. And we can also drop these seats down using these controls here to get a ton more storage space. And to close it up, all we gotta do is push the button, it's gonna close for us. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, some storage and cup holder space below, and here are the seats. And we can hop inside. Back of each seat we have magazine holders. Down at the bottom here we have our rear climate control with heated seats, a 3-prong plug-in as well as 2 USB plug-ins. Of course we have handles on either side. We have the vents on the top with 2 dome lights in the middle, same on that side. If we take a look at the back, we have the vents on the top with 2 dome lights in the middle, same setup. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for watching this quick review of the 2024 Buick Enclave Avenir. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.